Today I'm going to show you how to approve test requests for the OALA Testing Center using the online platform Accommodate. First off, students request a testing appointment on Accommodate, which generates an email from the OALA Testing Center. If you'll follow the link in that email, it'll allow you to log into your faculty homepage in Accommodate. Or you can also find the same link to your faculty homepage on the OALA website. This is the faculty homepage for this particular professor. Home button, accommodation letters, courses and testing appointments, resources, and settings for your account all live on this page. Today we're going to select courses and testing appointments. Once you click the courses and testing appointments button, it'll take you to this course area, which displays each course for which you're the instructor of record. If you choose the course in which the student is enrolled, the student's course and section will be included on the initial email, so you'll notice that once you get that email from OALA. In this case, we're going to select this course, the History of Baylor. And once we click that, it takes us to a set of course details, which you can see here at the top, the course title, course details listed, and then other tabs, testing requests and exam. If you'll click testing requests, it'll take you to any of the testing requests for this particular course. And the default is to go to the approved tab. So this is any testing requests that have been approved for this particular course. For today's training, we're going to click on pending, click here to approved. And this will take you to any pending test requests, anything that's available for approval. Once you click this button, you'll notice that the student's name comes up, where the test will be located, date, and time. If you'll click the name of your student, it'll take you to a very important page, Alternative Testing Room Booking, for this particular student. This is a form in which it'll allow you to input necessary details for the testing center staff in order to administer and proctor your exam properly. The first step would be to review time and date of the appointment for accuracy. And those items are located here, student, testing date, testing time, and the course. You'll also notice length of exam without extra time added should be here. Maybe an exam name would be listed here as well. It's not particularly necessary, but it can be. Midterm, final exam, something along those lines. Any other notes that the student has entered would be here as well. Professor name would be here too. And then the question is, your request the same date or time that the class is taking the exam. This student has indicated yes. The third step would be exam pickup instructions. You want to select your choice from a drop-down menu. I will email the exam to OALA. I will deliver the exam to the OALA Testing Center. I will upload or attach and accommodate. It is a Canvas exam, or OALA will pick up the exam from a particular person in a building here on campus. Please note that testing center staff will need 24 hours notice if a physical copy is to be picked up from a departmental office. So in this case, we're going to say, I will deliver the exam to the OALA Testing Center. If you make that selection, you move down to an area called Exam Administration. These are relevant details about approved items that are allowed in the room, i.e. particular calculators, note cards, maybe formula sheets, certainly time of exam as well. So the first question is, how long will the class have to take the exam? If you agree that the class will have 50 minutes, select 50 minutes. If it's 75, 90, maybe something other, please specify and indicate in the additional instructions. In this case, the student will use his or her calculator. So we'll select that, mark that yes, and then add calculator type. In this case, non-programmable. And then any additional instructions you'll have here. Finally, we move on to exam return instructions. The options are below. I will pick up the exam from the OALA Testing Center. OALA will return the exam to someone on campus, particular building. Canvas exam, so no return is required. So you make your selection. In this case, we'll indicate I will pick up the exam from the OALA Testing Center. Next, you have the option to upload a digital copy of your exam using this attachment feature right here. If you choose yes or no underneath testing appointment approved, your student will receive an email notification once the request is approved or declined. In this case, we're going to select yes, it is approved, and we're going to click submit. Clicking submit will send us back to the course page. The student's testing request no longer appears in pending. If you click approved underneath this particular course, you'll notice the testing appointment is now in the approved tab. For any other testing appointments, any other testing requests, they'll be located in pending. Click here to approve, and you repeat steps 4 on to approve each testing request. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to call our office, 710-1925, 710-1610, or feel free to email the OALA office, the testing center specifically, OALA_T@baylor.edu. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.